Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hello, Face Yogis. Happy Friday and welcome to December. Yep, it's already December. Can you believe it? I hope you enjoyed Thanksgiving. If you celebrated and that you were able to take advantage of the amazing deals we had over the weekend. Yep. And let me know what you purchased. And if you purchased the Oxygen Plasma back in the store, apply on your lips. Really change the color of your lips. I don't wear lipsticks anymore. I can just put the plasma and I can tell that my lip color changed dramatically. So go for it. Right. So now we entered December. Hello, Marina. Just a few days ago, we entered December. And you know what that means, December. Yep. Are you getting ready for the holidays and for the season of gifting? And for those who do not really celebrate, any specific holiday during December, still, I think many people tend to buy gift and many people tend to get together for gathering, family gathering and friends get together. And often we exchange gift. And to be honest, I really don't like shopping because it just stressed me out. And I have had so many people tell me, my friends said they don't like holidays this season because they don't like shopping either. And they get so overwhelmed and spend lots of money, right? Lots of money. And sometimes I feel bad when I see people are buying things that they don't know the person likes and then, the gift is not really appreciated. I feel sad and we have so much already, and do we need that? And to me, gift is something like you really feel like giving, and then when you receive, I want to have something like I use. So I'm a very practical person and I don't really need anything fancy, but I love something very special. So I want to share something, and today I want to talk about the gifting and ideas so that you can get the most benefit and you can even make easily. Okay, so that's something I like. So these are gifts I got from my brother, one of my brother-in-laws, Kevin. He likes to surf and he collected these so many years, over the years. And look at that from the ocean. Such a beautiful, beautiful. See? Rocks, and he even draw the pictures and a starfish and lots of things. And this is like, whoa, it's beautiful. Octopus, and I used to collect these too every time I traveled all the places, and these are beautiful too. These are from the beach. Look at that. Yeah, and very beautifully polished shells and glasses. And I used to look for the green is not uncommon, but I remember the blue was so uncommon when I was younger, so I was so looking for the blue color. Do I have it here? I don't know if Kevin found the blue one. But look at the beautiful. Oh, I don't think I have it here in the blue. Yeah, blue was something. If I found a blue, I got it. It was like special thing. Oh, I see it. Okay, sorry. I can't help myself. Look at that. Oops, where'd it go? Oops, so it disappeared. Oh, the blue is disappeared. See, that's why the blue was so special to me. When I find a blue one, the beach, I was super excited as if I got a diamond or something. Oops. Okay, beautiful. So that's something I love, appreciate so much. Thank you, Kevin, again. My favorite gift to give and receive are the ones I know someone put a lots of love and effort into, thinking about me, and special, gift like this one. And no matter what the gift may be, it can be small, it can be big. It doesn't need to be fancy, but something like feel love, from the person. And then next one is, I want to share with you today is, this is why I declared this December a DIY December, because I want to feel the same way. You don't need to agree with me if you like shopping, and that's fine. But for me, I just don't like shopping and I love to make things. That's why I want to share this with you today. So for those just like me and like to make and something practical and who wants to have, less money spending on the gift, this is a good time, because I can show you the DIY project. So DIY means do it yourself. For those who do not really familiar with the term, DIY, do it yourself, make something. Okay? It means making something with your own hands, fingers, instead of buying from the store, already made by somebody or made by a machine in a big, factory. And something you like means more to you, but also to those who receive the gift from you. So this is something my daughter made. Candle, beeswax candle. She loved it. We had so much fun. And she's going to give it to her father, my husband. She said she made it for him. So she's going to give it to him. She's going to wrap it and give it to him. Yeah, it's very special. It smells so good too. Okay? And let's see. You know how much I love and enjoy this kind of project. So I'm going to show you what I have. And I'm going to share a recipe too, if you don't have any. Okay? So look at this. Look at this. This is a gift box. I just put it together. Look at that. It's so fun. It's like getting some little treasure. For me, I love it. This is a spray. Mist spray. You can make it so easily. Distilled water, vegetable glycerin, essential oil. The recipe is on my blog, faceyogamethod.com, and a blog. Go there, make it easy. My husband actually is empty because my husband used it all. He's been asking me last couple days, he needs more. So I'm going to make a lot. I'm going to give it to my husband too, but I'm going to make a lot and give it to my friends and my daughter's teachers. They love this one too. Okay, and this one is the cream. Face and body and hair cream. Yes, the recipe is there. faceyogamethod.com, the blog. I need to make more. Look at that. My parents even in Japan use this because it's so easy to make, but also wonderful. Make your skin so smooth. I take this with me whenever I go. And I recycle, right? It's a glass. It's a blue glass. I recycle it, sanitize it, and I use it again. Make another batch. So I'm going to make a lot too. This month because I need to make a lot. Okay? And then my new love, there's a couple new loves. This is a soap I made with my friends. It took a long time and I have to cure it. Aloe vera and what else I put? Lots of oils. Aloe vera and smells good too. Yeah, fresh aloe vera. So it's so easy, gentle on your skin. But this one, yeah, it's a very new thing I've been doing. And this is my personally mixed essential oil perfume. I love it. Rose and geranium and the jasmine and so good. And this can be a perfect gift, right? I put in a small vial and then I can even put the ribbon and make it so much more fancier. And these are my new loves, 2 new loves. Tinted lip gloss. This is what I wear these days. I don't wear lipstick anymore for so many years. And I put lots of honey. Do you want to know how to make this? It's so easy too. And I'll show you how you can even put that in a tube. It's easy. It doesn't take long. And you can even put in a container like this. See? The lip gloss. Yeah, you can eat it. It's very eatable if you want. That's what I have on my lips these days. Okay, this is good. So if you want to know, let me know so that I can show you how to make this. And another things I've been so into these days is, are you ready? This is my love. Yeah, bath bomb. So easy to make. You can make with your kids. You can even put teeny tiny toys in this and your kids will love it. It's a little surprise. Very easy. Baking soda, salt, sea salt, and cornstarch and citric acid. And these are all, eatable items, right? And I put the rose petal so that when this dissolves in the water, you can see the rose started flowing in the water and you feel so good. Yeah, so special. When you buy it, it's expensive. I think $5 or so in the United States. When you make it, so reasonable. So I make this, I put essential oil, a rose. Smells so good too. Okay, so these are things I share. This one, my last one here. This is something I made with my friend too. Yeah, in the vodka, I add glycerin and lemon and aloe vera, fresh aloe vera. Look at that. It's going to be such a great lotion for entire body and the face. Yep. So I'm so looking forward to start using this. Okay, so there's so many recipes you can do, and there's already a lot in my blog, faceyogamethod.com. You can be creative, and you can even put in a box. I like to recycle the ribbons, anytime I find something beautiful, cute ribbons, I recycle them. Just looking at them makes me feel so good and happy. It's like a little child with a treasure. It's my treasure box. Okay, and I even recycle something like this here. Yeah, so that I can use as a decoration when I put the gift in a box. Yeah, so think about it, how you can save money but also make it more fun instead of just go and buy it and then buy even the box or wrapping paper. You can be so creative and it's fun. Very reasonable too. I like that part. Economical. Okay, so you can make a lot of things at once and easy and very economical because you just, like this one, for example, distilled water, essential oil, and a vegetable glycerin. That's it. And you can buy lots of bottles and then you can make a lot. And then this one too. It's so easy, simple. You don't need a lot of ingredients. This one too. Once you buy ingredients, you can just make it a lot and then save it and give it to people you care. Okay, it's very thoughtful and it's so much fun. And today is something I want to share, a super simple one because it's a DIY December. That's what I decided. This month, I just want to talk about what you can make using the things you can easily get or you already have in the kitchen. Okay, so how about doing the simple one, reduce the stress because December can be stressful, including me. Yeah, all you need is a towel. If you can get a towel right now, go and get it because we can do it together. Okay, I'm gonna move this. So I have a towel and you need a hot water. Okay, and then if you want, you can use essential oil you like. I love rose and I got this one when I was in Croatia last year and I love it. I love the smell of rose. I don't know why, ever since I was younger, I love the smell of rose. Okay, so this is how to do it. If you get a towel, soft towel is better, okay? And wet the towel in a hot water or wet the towel first and then wring the wet towel out hard and put this in a microwave. I don't like to use a microwave, but sometimes I do, save my time. But this time I just use hot water and then I add little essential oil, okay? And I place this in a arm and make sure it's not too hot. And when you think it's a perfect temperature, this is what you can do. Put the towel on your face, and eye, or a neck, or shoulders. It feels so good. It melts the stress away. So I have a beanbag, my neck, I forgot to tell you. Beanbag, and I can really feel the difference if I warm this up and put around my neck. But you can put this around the neck, especially right here. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, it just melt my stress away. So if you have 11 lines, 111 lines right here, it can be stress related. I can tell probably your shoulder is tight and you have lots of stress. What you can do is put this hot towel on your forehead and imagine that your stress is melting away. Or you can imagine you put a butter on the forehead and it melt the butter with this towel. Oh, it feels so good. And it put on your shoulders too. And before towel gets too cold, just, take it off and that's it. So easy and simple, right? And right after this, you want to apply moisturizer to seal the moisture the hot towel, created in your face. Oh, it feels so good. Okay? See, it's not hard. It's very, very easy and relaxing. And this can be a gift to somebody. Okay? How about this idea? So I'm going to take this out from the box. Okay? So how about this? You can put a towel, the soft towel, and put the ribbon. Yeah? Okay, so this is for the face, put on the face. Of course, you probably want to put instruction. And you can even put a, headband or something. Yeah, so I put my headband and I put the ribbon, recycled ribbon. Okay, and then put this paper, recycled one, And you can put the essential oil you like. Yep. And put it here. And you can even write the instructions. Simple. Like, oh, put the hot water, wet the towel, put the essential oil, put the hairband, and put a towel on the face. And look at that. What do you think? Is it pretty? Like, I love, if I receive something like this with instruction, I'm so happy because I like some practical ideas. I like practical gift, but also towel, we use towel. And you can buy fancy towel, but you can buy simple towel and put the ribbon. And it makes such a difference, especially when you put the instruction how to do this one. Okay, so there's the one you can print out. There's a blog I just posted and print out, the instructions so that they can understand, how to use my towel, how to use my essential oil and relax. And definitely, enjoy yourself too before you give it to somebody. You can do it easily. And if you love it, that person will love it too. And if you don't like it, you don't need to do it. But there's so many ideas you can do. So please let me know, what you want to learn from me in terms of recipes so that I can share. Because this month, I really want to focus on DIY, December. So you can make your own things. And I showed you a couple things I already been making. And if you let me know, I really, think about it. And if I can do live showing you how to make this, which I think I'm so interested, I'm going to do that. Or even this. Yeah, this is really good. Okay, so let's think about it. Okay, so Face Yogis, don't forget to share your hashtag self-care Sunday photos with us. Your ideas, your requests for DIY December, and most importantly, don't forget to enjoy your weekend. Okay, it's important. Don't stress out. Yes, it can be stressful this month, but it's okay. All right, so I'm gonna go quickly and let me know which one you like to learn how to make it. Okay, yeah, okay, okay. All right, yeah. Okay, so which one is, I think, okay, people like it. Okay, yeah, I enjoy doing, looking forward. Yes, you can have a vegan, the vegan, because I use a beeswax. You can use soy wax and, let's see, what else? Soy wax is good substitute too. Okay, if you want to go vegan. Okay, you want to know, Maria? You want to know all of them? Yeah, there's a lot already in my blog, faceyogamethod.com, and a blog and homemade remedies. And you can make some special gift for somebody special. All right. The soap, Asha, this, I don't know if I can do live. I can definitely share, but this takes lots of time and I'm still learning. It uses lots of chemicals. Not the chemicals, the bad chemicals, but it just takes so long. So yes, I think about it when I'm ready to share. But thank you for the, your interest. Okay. All right. Thank you. Bath bomb. Okay, Chloe, definitely I'll do that because I'm so obsessed with it. My daughter loves it too because I put the toy inside and it's a surprise, right? When you dissolve it in a tub, the surprise will come out. It's such a fun thing. Okay. Yeah, Tiffany. Okay, lip. Okay, this one. All right. Definitely do it. Yay. So let's save lots of money this Christmas or holiday season and make fun of all the creative things and enjoy. I think that's the most important things in our life. Enjoy. All right. Thank you all. And I'll see you very soon and enjoy the weekend. Bye.